Hey everyone, on today's episode we are going to take a look at how to properly oil and maintenance your Cobra Class 8810 post-bed sewing machine. So let's take a look. The next 4 spots you'll need to remove the end face plate using a 3mm Allen wrench for the 2 screws. For this next spot, you will have to look under the table next to the drip pan. Here's a closer look. All right, here I have different styles of oiling bottles. For this machine, I'll be using the fine extra long needle bottle to help with precision oiling on the felt parts. Just a reminder, if you spill or drip oil, please clean up any mess. So these next spots, you'll be oiling the actual felt, and 1 drop of oil is sufficient. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.